Hi YouTube family, it is Kelsey and welcome to the last video of the year. I cannot tell you how excited I am to say thank you. Thank you so much for making this crazy girl's dream a reality of having her own TV show and dreaming of being the next Oprah, and YouTube and you subscribing and commenting and liking and engaging with me here on YouTube and social media have made this girl's dreams come true. But the best part is that I've really found out what you guys like, what you guys identify with, what you guys watch and share. And so for 2019 going forward, I'm really going to be honing this channel's content to you. So what that means is we're going to continually provide amazing health and wellness tips as well as real girl fitness, but also tapping into my business knowledge and photographer knowledge. Not a lot of you know this, but for the past almost decade, I've been a professional photographer and I specialize in lifestyle branding photography. And basically what that means is I help entrepreneurs brand themselves, create custom images for their social media, their marketing, their website, all of the above, to help them grow their business. And in this whole process, I have learned so much that I want to share with you. So going forward in 2019, you can look forward to always those health and wellness tips and tricks, but as well as business tips, social media, branding, marketing, really digging into the whole entrepreneur, business and health, mind and body. I want to just provide the most value for you to take your life and your business and your goals to the next level and help you slay your day, your month, your year, and your life. So happy holidays, happy new year, and I am so thankful for all of you. We'll see you in the new year.